A map. The dimensional map.
In the archives. He's going to Savali. You catch all that, Rivet?
Got it. We'll meet you there. Emperor Nefarious. I've been waiting for this. Wait! Huh?
Oh, it's you! I hoped you'd find me. Oh, sorry, coming back to one's body mid-meditation. Oh, that's smarts.
What are you doing here?
The Emperor captured me after he discovered I'd hidden the dimensional map in an anomaly.
So he doesn't have it yet.
No, but he's opening rifts willy-nilly to get to it. It's only a matter of time before he's successful.
Ratchet.
Good news and bad news. Bad news, the Emperor's not here. Good news, we're with Gary. He says the map's hidden inside a dimensional anomaly.
In the catacombs, you can get down there by activating the excavation towers.
We're on it!
That's the spirit, clank! Welcome to the world of cussing! Of adulthood!
Let it, pal!
I know how to stop the cataclysm. I know how to stop the cataclysm. And we are about to get the dimensional map too. Oh, things are finally going our way. Ratchet, I
Did it! Hooray! Now hand it here so I don't have to send your friend's head to Torren 4.
Don't worry! I'll be hosting a viewing party of my victories. It's all
Come on, kid. We gotta... Run. Run? This is our last chance to stop him.
But what about the king form cards? We can't leave without them. Even if he has them, we can't just let him use the king form. You know what will happen.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
You! It was you!
What are you doing here?
Look, Raven, I didn't know kids that machine that destroy your arm, and I know it's just crazy, and I know it's gonna hard to say, but I think you're done friendship with kid, and I understand completely. Sometimes friendships can break all the time.